Okay.
That one went right there. See, I can get this one.
How did you get such a strong arm? That almost came back on you. How did you get such a strong arm?
No.
Playing basketball, maybe?
Let's go, Papa.
All right.
One more throw. That one's one.
That's a pretty view over there where you're throwing them.
Oh, Papa, right here is perfect.
Why is it perfect?
Rocks.
Oh, lots of rocks?
Yeah.
And good shot at the water?
Where's that big rock at? I found.
I don't know.
Are you taking pictures of me?
I sure am.
Stop!
Why?
Yes. I meant to do that.
Okay.
Mud.
A boy's best friend, huh?
Ready, Papa?
Okay.
Let's get on that one.
All right.
Right here, perfect. You. That one went right there. Let's see if I can pull one farther. That one. That one went. Whoa, that one. You see that fellow?
That was way out there, wasn't it?
Watch, Peppa.
Okay.
Dang it.
Oops.
That was the shortest one.
Yeah, that was the shortest one.
Dang it, that was not the farthest. Let's go. Whoa. It sounds like a deer's been through here.
Really? You mean you can tell by kicking the ground whether a deer's been through here or not? Really?
Yep.
I didn't know anybody could do that.
Yes, because the footprints. Now first.
Oh.